Hey guys, I want to make a review video. I have a clock here and I took out the guts of this clock right here. You can see it took off the hands and stuff. This doesn't work anymore and should be pretty easy to put the new one in. Got this 3-pack here. It comes with new hands. There's a bunch of different versions and styles that you can select with. You have the 3 boxes that you put the battery in, and also some other mounting hardware and stuff like that. But it should be pretty easy. You just stick this through right there and then attach your hands. But if you need to replace a clock like this, this will work good. Let's get this new one installed. So like I said, you've got lots of different choices. You've got gold and red and black, a few different versions, also kind of like maybe a glow-in-the-dark version right there, but lots to choose from. Okay, so I went with the black because the gold was a little bit short. But all you do is you put on the hour hand and then put on the minute hand. You just kind of push it on there onto that shaft there. And then you can pick out your, we're gonna go with a black with the gold. You pick out your second hand and you just push that right in the middle. And there it is. Okay. So all we gotta do is put a battery in and then we'll set the time. Okay, so on the back, it does take a Duracell battery. Use this knob right here to set the time, as you can see. Just like that. And there is our second hand is spinning. So you can set your time, and then you just may have to adjust the hour hand and the minute hand on when you put them in, because right now, you know, that's halfway between 4 and 5. So I need to readjust the hour hand back to 4, going straight up to 12. But it is working. And once we get that adjusted, we'll be good to go. But if you're looking for a clock kit, super easy to install with extra styles, this is a good one. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.